Hydrogen. Dangerous, right? But how risky is hydrogen as a fuel source? What happens if we get into a car accident? And most importantly, is hydrogen safer than other fuel alternatives? Unlike fossil fuels, hydrogen is non-toxic. Therefore, in the case of a fuel spill, the health and ecological threat is lower. Hydrogen is approximately 14 times lighter than air. Therefore, in the case of a fuel spill, the hydrogen will quickly rise and disperse, limiting the risk of a low-level ground explosion. However, butane and ethanol are more dense than air. Therefore, the risk of a ground level explosion is much higher. The lower radiant heat of hydrogen is much lower compared to many other fossil fuels. Therefore, the air temperature surrounding the fire will be much lower. This limits the chance of secondary fires occurring. Hydrogen has a higher oxygen requirement compared to other fossil fuels for it to explode. However, hydrogen has a lower ignition temperature. This means it can catch on fire at lower temperatures compared to other fossil fuels. Also, there is a safety risk associated with storing compressed gas. We want to know what's going to happen if our hydrogen fuel cell car gets into a car accident. What happens when our hydrogen source is ignited? So we're going to take a balloon filled with hydrogen and explode it to try and simulate this scenario. Although that explosion was impressive, the amount of energy released is actually only similar to the amount of energy you need to make a cup of tea. So now we've seen hydrogen explode, would you still be happy to have that in the back of your car?